Alright, what's up guys? I'm at the office and I just applied to 15 jobs on Upwork. Now, this particular 15 jobs is actually the most targeted 15 jobs I've ever applied to in my life. So targeted that I'm about to document this, and I don't even know how this video is going to play out because I haven't even completed whatever I'm doing right here. But basically, what I did this morning was make the most targeted video intro I've ever made for my YouTube channel, and I'm saying that I am essentially only a YouTube video editing specialist. Now, this is on a theory of mine where Upwork is a whole bunch of different niches within niches within niches, and obviously people want to hire somebody who is targeted perfectly to the type of work they do. So I'm going in solely as a YouTube specialist, and I've applied to just 15 YouTube related jobs. I'm going to get myself a few YouTube video editing clients this week relatively easily, in my opinion. I literally just sat here, made a brand new video intro, which took me about 30 minutes to make, literally just talking straight to the camera saying that I'm the perfect person to hire for this job. Screw it, let me show you that video intro quick. My name's Jack, I am a 20-year-old content creator, and I applied to your job because I am only targeting YouTube video editing jobs. So you're a YouTuber, you actually need someone to edit your videos, you posted it on Upwork, and I applied. And don't take this in a negative way or a cocky way or arrogant way, but I'd be very surprised if I'm not the most qualified person who's applying for your job. Let me explain, all right? This is uploaded right now. You're watching it on my 150,000 subscriber YouTube channel that I upload content to every single day. I am sat in my office right now. I rent an office space at 20 years old, and I produce daily content for not only my own YouTube channel, but my other YouTube clients. I'm applying to your job because I specialize in YouTube videos. I've been making content on YouTube since I was 15 years old. I know the platform so well. I've worked with countless YouTube channels, small and big. I've literally edited so many different YouTube videos that you can rest assured whatever your YouTube video is, I probably already understand the format, have edited multiple samples before, and would love to get involved. I've done top 10 videos, vlogs, gaming videos, explainer videos. Hell, YouTube clients of mine before have actually even asked me to start doing voiceovers for them and even doing on-camera appearances where I've actually taken over and started doing some of the YouTube videos on their channel. Enough of that spiel. I feel as though I'm bigging myself up too much, but hey, you know, this is my pitch video. I should be bigging myself up, right? But email's on screen right now. Ideally, you know, just hit me up on Upwork as well, and you and me will come to some sort of deal. I'd love to jump on a Skype call with you, whatever. I'm the best person for this job for you, I promise you. I'm very quick. I work down here in my office every single day. This is a Sunday where I'm making this video, you know, so the commitment, the dedication's there. I'm applying to this job because I specialize in YouTube videos, and I'd be very surprised if you can get somebody that understands the format and, you know, is as consistent as I am, because you know, I do this full time. This is my main hustle. This is what I do. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to let you guys go. Message me back on Upwork. I cannot wait to get involved in your project. Talk to me. I'll see you back on Upwork. Sweet, guys. All right, there you go. So that's the video intro that all the potential new clients that are going to work with me are going to watch. And, you know, it basically tells the story that I'm an ideal person to hire. So I've just applied to 15 jobs. I'm going to keep this clip on my computer, wait till I have more clips as people respond to me or don't respond to me, and we're basically going to see how well YouTube can really go for you if you are fully niching down and just targeting like the video that you are either the most qualified to make or just have the most believable track record that would make people want to hire you. Obviously, you're in a kind of convincing game on the internet trying to get people to understand that you can do the job that they're asking you to do, and I can definitely do the job that they're asking me to do. So without further ado, that rhymed? Let's get to it. This is crazy. I'm about to leave the office. It's a Sunday, so I'm headed home now. I'm going to chill out, right? Smoke a little bit of weed. But on screen right now, it's literally been not even 30 minutes since I sent all those proposals and I last checked in with you guys, and I've already got someone that hit me back. Let's have a look. This guy, I sent him my proposal, short and sweet. So, hey, I'd love to get involved. I'm perfect for this. Let me make it focus. I'd love to get involved. I'm perfect for this. He then goes, all right, I'll be interested. You know, he's gotten ripped off on hourly rates before, so we'll go for a set rate. I love your pitch video. That's exactly what we want to hear. I go, no problem, John. I'd be happy to get on a call, talk further. Always try to deepen the relationship, right? That call does a good job of kind of creating a friendship right off the bat. He sends me a couple channels. They're essentially extremely on point to my interests. They're about motivation and business. Obviously, I'm a motivational and business dude, so it's perfect. And I don't want to count my chickens before they hatch, or is that the one? Yeah. Don't want to count my chickens before they hatch, but it's looking like I got this client. I'll check in with you. I'm about to walk home, so if I next check in with you, I'll probably be at the home office. See you there. Let's get this client together, people. Didn't even leave the office. Literally checked in off that last clip. I'm not in the business of recording a client without their permission, so I didn't record the conversation, but boom, got the job, absolutely smashed it, and now I've got a YouTube client that's going to go on to do loads more stuff. This guy owns a law firm, a law website type of thing like that, law firm directory, my bad, kind of a difference, isn't there? That has 700 different law firms signed up. Obviously, he's going to tap me into to other lawyers who want videos as well, so there's opportunity for more business in other sectors. Great conversation. We just smashed a client. Phenomenal. All right, basically, I'm an entire week on from that, from those last clips. I think that all took place on the 25th. It's now the 31st. Client is 100% secured, and we've done the first project together, and basically we're going to be going on to about 2 projects a week going forward. The main takeaway from this video is that I got these clients within 30 minutes of applying to it, or this client within 30 minutes of applying to the job, because I was targeting the thing that I have an undeniable track record for. YouTube videos is something that I can make such a solid case that I'm just a great person for the job, and I can be pretty audacious and say something like, I'm the best person for this job, when, that could be a little bit on the edge. And the client even mentioned in the call, like, dude, you got some balls to say that at the end of the day, but I believe it. That's the reality of the situation. So, main takeaway, make a video intro or show reel or portfolio that actually presents the idea that you are undeniably the best person for this job, better than anybody else that could be applying for the job. And, you're just going to do the best work, and I guarantee you, you're going to convert. Didn't even mean to make that rhyme, but of course I did. And there's a video where I did breaking down the conversation that we had over on Upwork, and also breaking down the other responses that I got from other people based on that exact same video intro from the 15 jobs that I said I applied to at the beginning. That video is called How to Get More Freelance Jobs Easy. This is the thumbnail right here. I assume I've edited it there. Be pretty embarrassing if I didn't. Let's just assume I have. And I definitely have. That would be dumb not to. But go check that out. I promise you, if you watch to the end of this, that's going to provide some solid value for you. Really bring stuff home. And boom. Absolutely love it. Hell yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in. Little bit of a different one. Tell me if you like this format of just documenting what's going down. Little bit less of a high production value type of feel. Just my phone documenting what's going down. Had to change that last word to make it rhyme, but we did it. See you guys later.
Invade King Beat.